Backtesting every day on some profitable day 431. Bro, not a lot of trading this week for me, man. All London session trading. Looking at the live calendar. Tomorrow, London session, London session, London session, AM session. And then trading here the entire day, but yeah. Daylight time shift. Oh shit. Oh yeah, okay. Let's go. Private, yo. How you doing, man? Let's go and backtest again. Oh, you're doing good. Doing good, man. How are you? Let's see. So no November so far. Slow. Let's continue with this. November 21st. Friday, trading the entire day. Okay. Okay, let's see. Great, man. What about yourself? Doing good as well, man. Good to hear. Good, man. Learn a few things. Yeah, what is it? Wait, what did you learn? Yo, Maxime. How you doing? How's it going? It's going great, man. How are you? Let's see. And first this ODS as well. Consistency. Yeah, man. It's all about the consistency. So I'm proud of you, man, keeping it consistent. Thank you, man. Thank you. Yeah, like it's like the thing is, like with many things, you make yourself a promise, like, oh, I want to start doing something, and then you do it for like 2 weeks. That's when the motivation will go down, because in the beginning, yeah, you'll just have the motivation, like you're very, very motivated, and then you say to yourself, oh, I'm gonna make the promise, I want to keep doing this because, yeah, I know eventually it's gonna work out. And then you make yourself that promise, but then after the 2 weeks of motivation, then motivation is gone. That's where the discipline should kick in. And yeah, made myself just a promise to just keep doing this, because I know it will help me in the future. Not just getting data on it and then that will improve my trading and all that, but also just getting discipline from this. I just want to keep that promise. And yeah, consistency is just everything, man. Yeah. Good, gotta go sleep soon. What time do you normally go to bed again, Maxime? And tomorrow, waking up at 7 again, 6, 7, 6 it was. Me as well after a session. I'm gonna go to sleep. Since recently I got this. It's a Whoop, and I can track my sleep and recovery through this. I only have it for like 3 days now, so I can't see all the data yet, but I think it will be very interesting. It's a bit expensive though, I would say, but yeah, if I can get some good information out of this, then yeah. Six, yeah. Okay, let's see. Nothing there. Can you watch this? No, watch this. No, look, it doesn't have the time. It's just a band. It's this thing. I can do this. It's this. It's not even a watch. It's very nice to get this kind of info. I realized I had trouble deep sleeping if my door open. Oh yeah? How did you figure that out? Like what do you have? You also have like a smartwatch or some kind? Of some kind? Could be a 2 minute here. Still could be 2 minutes. Never mind actually. This was a 5 minute, yeah. Yes, also close below. We detect the range high actually. 1, 2, 3. Okay, still below this. Still an inversion. Short term I'm bearish. To range low. Okay. There we are above again. So this deeper retracement. Closure above was just now. Okay. Could be an entry. Not anymore now. That was it, okay. PM session. Had a smartwatch, and when I used to sleep with my door open, I got like 1 hour less of deep sleep. Yeah. Oh, okay. Wow. Let's see, Charles still towards there, so still gonna be bullish. There's no other high than this, so marking this up, this will probably get taken right away. Okay, let's see. Daniel retrace and continue higher. I would say the same thing. Want to mark out the gaps here though. It's not really clean, but there's a gap there. Okay. Oh, this looks good. There, okay. This is an entry. Or it's my setup, but it's actually an entry. Still respecting this. Yes, going lower. Tap the high of this gap. Didn't really tap into it, but the high. Okay, Q still respecting it. And then I have an SMT here. This high is still intact. Closure above is already there. Skipped a bit too fast. That'll be John liquidity. Yeah, FHE here. Yeah, break even. There's no break even, so it's either TP or stop loss. And it's a stop loss. Okay. 1330 was the entry. How many weeks of data do you backtest per stream? Oh, I wish it was weeks per stream. I think only like a week, 1 week of data. Yeah, I think like a week. Doesn't go so fast. And I would say I'm backtesting pretty fast. But yeah. Only like a week of data per session. Okay, so far 1L. Okay. See where we're trading into now. It's 4 minutes here. And yes, in that gap there. Still draw it be higher for me, just gonna play out structure so far. Or further. Well. And then this gapped up as well, but here. That gap has a deeper retracement. Still respecting it. There's nothing in here, so waiting a bit more. Could be something in here, I think. Yeah. If it goes above that. Now we did, but it's 5 minutes before the 4-hour candle opening, so I'm waiting. Now I can't enter anymore because I would be break even on this, so now I'm waiting again. So far it looks pretty choppy. Now we go lower. Oh, there was already closure. Here's wall, range was already taken. Then in this entire leg, oh yeah, shit here. When was this? 14, we already closed below. Both on NQ and ES. Is this the range high? Or an SMT? That is the range high. So after 14 I would be bearish. Right there, no entries, so didn't miss anything. Now I'm short-term bearish. That there as well. That's already taken, and then yeah, let's first see if those lows even want to get taken. Good luck with your trading next week, then, Chad. Thank you, Crybaby. You too, man. That's good. You just don't want to fry your brain because life price is your roller coaster of emotions. Yeah, man, 100%. It's or yeah, if you'd let it as well. I wouldn't say I don't really get much emotion from live trading. Like my strategy is very objective, so every trade or every time I set up forms I have to take it, and I basically, yeah, I would say I've trained myself to like not really do anything stupid with that. I think that's one of the most important things in trading. Like I haven't broken any rules since like I don't even know when. Yeah, and I thought by like when I was making this strategy, wow, if I can make it a strategy that is like as objective as possible, not 100% objective because then otherwise I could probably make a trading bot or something, but make it as objective as possible, then there would be no hesitations and I would always have to enter the setup, and then the motions would just go not away, but they would just never be there really, only if I break my rules. But why would I break my rules? I have the strategy with all the data behind it. I just have to think before going into a trade, and while I am in the trade, even though it maybe doesn't look so good, I just have to think. I have so much data behind this strategy that I'm trading. Even though it doesn't look good now, I know in the end it will just be profitable, and if I just keep thinking that way, then the emotions will just be as low as possible, I would say. So yeah, like a roller coaster, emotional roller coaster, only if you make it that way. When do you plan on studying your data? I do it like yeah, once like every week, or maybe sometimes in a session as well. Sometimes I have a backtesting session where I take like a few trades and then I say like, oh, I want to backtest this, which is also like backtest or review data. and then I just do the entire backtesting session as like a reviewing data session. So yeah, we have to check here. So yeah, it depends also, but at least like once a week I would say. Yeah. And right now what I'm doing is I'm backtesting 2024, so I'm just getting more data, even more data on my strategy, and then always more data, I would say better, because now, yeah, just backtest 2024, and I get more months, like I get to see how my strategy performs in different kinds of months. So now I can just look at not just 4 years of data, but 5 years of data, and then let's say I want to look at like, oh, how's my strategy performing in January, for example, then I have 5 years of Januaries to look at, and so many things, just so many things, not just that, of course, there's so many things. I was just tried on London, a London session, no news days are decent, but other than that, yeah, I backtested that before, and I'm not trading London session if there's no news on a day. Yo, I need to talk to you. Yo, what's up, Luke? Yep, couldn't have said it better. How can I get in touch? Yeah, if you, yeah, right here, or Discord DM if it's if you don't want to share it here. Wait, I have to check here. Sometimes I'm just on autopilot. I just mark out stuff and I don't even know what I'm doing, because it's so like I've done this so many times. But like, do I even need to look at this? But let's see. This here, you take the range low in this. Yes, we did in this. We close above here on ES as well, so short term I would be bullish already here. But then this almost outside my kill zone, so it might just be nothing. Yeah, didn't do anything there. And this already outside my kill zone, so no trades on this entire Friday. Or no, there was a trade, 1L on this day. First extra was decent there. Oh, and the entry was at 13:30. There. Alright, so yeah, November so far is going pretty slow, but yeah, something I've seen from data before. My strategy around December, so now we're nearing the December days, is, yeah, not the best, not like terrible, but not the best. But still okay, but I just see that the price action is just getting, yeah, I don't know, just it's not as efficient as normal. Like here, where was the market open? 9:30 was here. Like, what did we really do this day? Like, I would say this was here we had something, but also on like bad days, I would say, like the best moves happened then in lunch hour, which normally isn't the case. Here there was a decent move, but like, where was the entry? But yeah, that's something. Doesn't, like, I'm not saying like, oh yeah, price action now everything is terrible. No, not at all. But I've just seen like other months perform better. Monday here, there's no news. I'm trading the London session in this. Let's see. Have you seen ICT's video yesterday? He showed us how to pick high probability PD raise. Really? I'm not really watching IC anymore since like, yeah, since I found like my strategy that I wanted to just trade. Like, there should be something, like I learned everything from IC basically, but there should be something that you should pick, like a PD array or like a setup or a entry model that you're just going to trade forever. Like, not just, oh yeah, now I'm going to trade for value gaps, now I'm going to trade order blocks. No, because there would be, you have to have so much data behind all of that to make it be profitable. Like, I don't want I don't want myself to be trading full-time in the future in like 5-10 years, and then I'm just trading something that has no data supported by it. Like, how am I gonna depend on the future with a strategy like that? Like, I have zero data on that, and there has to be so much data on that as well. Like, every time if you enter on a different setup, then you have basically different strategies. So yeah, I just picked the for FEG, and that is what I'm now trading, and I'm always going to trade. Like, I'm not switching. Now I'm just trying to make the strategy better with some tweaks here and there. But yeah, after I did that and I knew that what I wanted to do, or what I should be doing, I wasn't watching IST anymore after that. I think that was like a year ago from now. So I'm not watching IC at all anymore. Yeah, if there's a very interesting video, maybe I'll take a look at that. It sounds interesting though. It was good, Daniel. Was it a good video? I'm struggling right now. Can you give me a funded bro? Our future's just 979 UC. I'm sorry, man, but I really like. Maybe sounds rude, but I would say asking for money is rude, man. Like, I would love to help. If I'm a big millionaire, then I would probably help, even though I still wouldn't like people asking stuff for which costs money. I'll probably still help, but yeah, right now, yeah, I could use the money myself. I would say then, like, yeah, I don't like when people are asking for money, man. And I'm not even doing, I'm just normal. I'm just working right now, just normal stuff. I'm not even close to where I want to be, but yeah, man. Not many people like when you ask for money, man. Just try to get a side job, thing you do on the side to make money, and then fund your capital by that, man, or through that. That's what I'm doing. That's what many people are doing. Yeah, I'm not asking people as well to just ask me money or give me money, so I don't have to work myself. Trading is possible from $0. I really don't need to beg for money for funding if you get the skill. Yeah, true as well. Yeah, I'm marking out things here as well. It's not equal low. Oh, that is. Okay, wait. This is an entry then, I think. 348 it is. There, yeah. It is just a trade. Wow, 0.5. It was a... Oh, no, here. No, it's 0.5 there. Let me check what's going to be the target. It's going to be that high. That's already taken, actually. Wow. Then this is all taken on yes. Wow. Okay, this is just going to be the break even then. It is the external high. Oh, actually, it has to be 1-to-1 then. Never mind. Then it's not even a trade. Now I would have to wait. It's break even anyway. Would have been a break even anyway. Still looking at price action. Still looking for a higher. Nothing at all here. Right. Yeah, nothing here. Not really best long session so far. Okay, now I see myself form again, but is it a setup? 2 minutes. Didn't mean to be rude. No, yeah, no worries, man, no worries. Your long was the first inversion with the retest of the PPR. Which one? The one this one from Friday? The loss, or the first inversion with the retest of PPR? I'm always looking for singular inversion. So in this leg here, you can see, like, starting from the 1 minute, there's no other inversion than just this 1 minute. And you see some sort of equal lows get taken, higher time frame being bullish. So all that is basically, to me, is like, okay, higher time frame is bullish. We are holding, not really holding this BISI, but ES is. Yeah, we are holding the BISI. We even have an SMT, didn't even see that, but now I see. It doesn't have to be in my setup, but by accident there was here an SMT as well. And then this SIBI, which should send price lower if we were bearish, is getting disrespected with us closing above it. So all that is saying to me, wow, we're not respecting bearish price action at all. Our time frame is bullish, so this looks like a good long setup. I enter in with a market execution. And then this high, that'll be my TP. Let's see if it is my TP. Yeah, that's already all taken. And then, yeah, this is going to be my entry. So I'm going to enter on this. Let's see if it plays out. So yeah, all that what I explained looks pretty decent. And now it did work out, so that's nice. And yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm only targeting a 1-1 inside a 1-2R. So let's see. This London session wasn't the best. Not really a lot happened here, and here a lot of chop, but the setup was decent. 436. But yeah, so far this November month is going very slow. So London price action was decent. Entry was at 436. We had no news this entire day. Tuesday, FOMC meeting minutes, 10 a.m. news. I'm trading this entire day. Go to the next day. Yo, Fred, how you doing, man? No, you're going through. No one, you're going through right now at the bottom. First inversion to retest. Oh, it is. Yeah, this does look good. Yeah, it wasn't my entry model on this though, and I would have been break even on this. So this would have been. I don't even know. Was it a trade? I don't know. I would have to look on the left here. I don't even think it's a trade actually. Wait. Oh, it is. Could be. If that was bullish as well. Where was it? Oh yeah, here. Like, I would be going break even here in the open inefficiency on this high, because ES already took it. Like this so far, like this looks beautiful. Like the push from here. But my strategy, I'm going break even pretty quick. And here in this case, we had an SMT here. ES already took out the high, and it didn't now, but it could have been that ES took out that high. Then we just wanted to go lower from here, so that would be a good break even. But yeah, eventually we held the, what you said, BPR in this. Then we went higher. But at BPR, I thought it was everything. Like once I heard that from ICT, like ICT saying, oh my god, a bullish for value gap and a bearish for value gap overlapping. That being a balanced, like a balanced level, a BPR, balanced price range. Yeah, balanced price range. That was it. Almost forgot it. Like that looks. That once I heard that, I thought, wow, that's it. That's what I'm gonna be trading. And then I backtest that, and then eventually you find out nothing has a 100% win rate or something. But BPR still could be very strong, but it's not for me. I haven't found that like a BPR is stronger than like a IVG or something, or I don't know. Maybe in some ways could be, but I don't know. What day is this? Monday. This should be Tuesday. Good, man. Good to hear. How was the weekend? It was great, man. Yeah, had a decent weekend. What did I even do? Yesterday. Oh yeah, yesterday I went and have dinner with my girlfriend and her father. So that was very nice. And then today my girlfriend was here with me at my place, and we watched a movie today, or not really a full movie, but a bit of the movie. And then we went out to the supermarket, and then we did a long walk, like 2.5 hours. So that was nice. And then after that she already went home. And then later this evening, I went to my uncle and aunt and my nephew and niece and played some board games there. Yeah, it was nice. Other than that, it was a chill weekend. And you, Fred, did you have a good weekend? Is that you're using for journals as a cut? No, it's Notion. It's totally free, man. It's 100% free. Thing is, you have to make your templates. So if you get Notion, the way it's gonna look, I don't even know if I can show it. It will just be empty. There won't be anything, and you have to do a lot of things. You have to know how it works, and then you can get some amazing things out of it. But yeah, I've made this template, and I shared it for free in the Discord. So if you want to use it, you can just go to my Discord and then go here, Notion template, and I shared it in here. You can just duplicate it and use it if you want. There's news at 10, so I gotta skip until that. There. But Notion was beautiful, man. From breaker blocks, give a lots of reaction. Yeah, break blocks, yeah, good as well, yeah. I'm basically also with my idea of like inversion for A gaps. This is my entry model. And then I'm anticipating for the breaker block to basically act as support. The inversion to act as support. So here we have some sort of equal lows taken. Then we have one singular bearish for value gap where we close above. So let's say this is a, what did I just do? Let's say we have this on a 1 minute time frame. We have two SIBIs, so two bearish for value gaps. Then I need to look to This is a 1 minute time frame. Then I need to go to the 2 minute time frame, 3 minute time frame, etc. Until there is one singular gap in the entire leg. That's when I want to see a closure above. If we close above that, is then an inversion. I enter that with a market execution, stop close at the low. And then most of the time I'm going break even here. And then the move I'm trying to catch is basically this move higher here. Then you have the breaker block. Then we maybe have the 2022 model, unicorn model here as well. So busy overlapping with the breaker. And then yeah, then I'm already long or in here. So in here early. But it could also be that we take this high, and we most of the time take at least a high here of the breaker, but then this is just a liquidity sweep for us to go lower. But then I'm already break even. That's basically the idea of my entry model. Yeah, it can work perfectly, yeah. Of course, yeah. Where's Crumpets? Is this a trade? I have to check. No, we're still holding this busy here. Higher time frame is still bullish for me. ES is going lower, but we do have an SMT with this. There, and even there, while we have a double SMT. And then here we went lower. Oh wait, it's not. Oh wait, it's not even a trade. No, it's not even a trade. We do have SMT still holding though. I would like to see higher. Okay, we're now going lower. Now we're holding this, and then we have an SMT with this. I see singular gap here, so on a 1 minute, I see we have a SIBI here from swing high to swing low. So this is basically your breaker. So I'm anticipating for this to be a breaker in the future. And then 1 minute here, 1 minute here, 2 minute, and then we have a singular one. And I want to see the market close above this here after taking the equal lows. And let's see if we get that. Oh, we do. Okay, then this is a perfect example of this being my entry model, and let's see if it works out. Here we did not take the equal lows, or wait, did we? Oh, I think we did. No, we did not. Wait, what? It's now deeper or no? Oh yeah, we did. Okay, we did not take all these lows, so we don't have an SMT, but still it's totally fine. Doesn't have to be an SMT. We didn't take a 4 hour low, no. Stop loss is going to be with a tick below, right there. And then yeah, what am I targeting? So now I'm going to break even here, and then basically this being the breaker. So wait, let's see, is this still the same? It's not the same here. This is basically the breaker from here to here to here, and then I'd say like, oh, I'll be going break even here. But if I see an open inefficiency, then I go break even there if it's inside of a 1-to-1, but this is not. So then normally I'll be going to break even at a 1-to-1, but because it's inside of a 1-to-5, I've recently found out I could just let it run until here. So this is going to be TP. It's either going to be oh no, wait, inside of a 1-to-2, never mind. And this is going to be break even at a 1-to-1 right there, and then this will be final TP. So it doesn't matter with this open inefficiency, because this is just barely side of 1 and 2, and I'm targeting the max I can get with this. Yeah, it's still open. It's just a draw. Let's see. Break even would be here if we tap this. Let's see if we tap it, or yeah, if you even want to go higher. I do think it looks pretty good, but you never know. Okay, break even now. Let's see if you want to go higher. Looking at ES as well. It's a break even trade. Let's see what we did. Wow. Okay, so I would say this is also good price action of like December nearing, because wow, this is crazy. He went higher. This was so far nice, and then now he went lower, and then a bit of chop, I would say, and then ES just pushing higher. So yeah, it doesn't look the best, but eventually we did go higher, but just not on NQ. And then I don't think there were any re-entries. Let's see, I would be break even on here. Would there be re-entry? No. No. Is outside my kill zone? No. Let's see what we did eventually. And then I'm trading the PM session again. So 13.15, that's when my kill zone starts. Okay, so far this price action, this looks terrible, I would say. One break even so far. It's 2-minute entry. A decent weekend. Saturday I went out with my friends and went hiking alone. Oh wow. On Sunday with the rest of my time spent during studying for exams. Nice, man. Wow. Sounds cool. Hiking alone on Sunday. How much kilometers was it? Yo, where is you watching the Rampage? Have you seen Rampage. I've seen the guy whose pants fell down. What? Bro, what are you talking about? What is that? What? What is that? Let's see, I'm still looking for longs. Let's see. Nothing here, waiting for more price action, price structure. Nothing here, so far choppy. And this. Okay, this is nice, but no entries. Oh. 13:55, it's 5 minutes before a 4-hour candle opening. Something of my rules as well. It is my setup, it's literally my setup, but the timing is not there. And I'm reacting off this 1 minute here on yes. So yeah, normally I would enter on this, but because it's 5 minutes before a 4-hour candle opening, so at 14, I'm not entering on this. Good that I didn't enter on this. And now I could enter, but now an entire new thing has to form, and then ES already took out all the highs, so it's not in anymore. Let's see if we want to close below this actually. Okay, we don't, still holding. Well, so far, I don't know what we're doing. Okay. What we were expecting in here, nothing really. Okay, and then now we're holding this 30 minutes, taking out all as low as we can. Okay, and then waiting. Still looking for higher, but I don't even think my setup is going to form here. And I always say that, and then my setup forms. Let's see if it's the case now. They close above here. I didn't take any equal lows though. No, we did not. No, so it's not an entry. Waiting a bit more. Okay, here. Oh, perfect equal lows taken. 1446, closure above on here. I don't really like this trade, but yeah, it's my setup. I have to take it. Right here, reacting off the gap. Hard time still being bullish, even though, yeah, I don't know. This could just be like a sweep of here and then we want to go higher. It is like end of the day, so I don't know. In this case, I'll be targeting a fixed 1-1 because this outside we have 1 to 2, so 1 to 1. And then break even at this high or here on yes. Oh shit. R is a bit too late on this. Oh, this doesn't look good. Still, I'd be in this. Now I'd be break even. This was the tiny inversion. Break equal lows taken, reckoning off the gap here and higher time frame gap here as well. See what we do, and nice, just a tiny little 1 to 1. 1448 was the entry. See what we did. Wow, was not expecting for this to happen end of the day. Not even end of day macro. That's more like here. Beautiful though. Yeah, okay. But yeah, only targeting 1-1. I could be saying like, oh yeah, I'm going back for this. I would have caught this as well in live market. I'm only hurting myself because I wouldn't have done this. Like I have a very systematic system, even though it looks good for the backtesting data. Like, oh yeah, it's plus 5%, bro. I have, yeah, you don't have. I'm not benefiting from this at all in the future. Like, I'm doing this to get data on this, not to lie to myself. 1448, so 1 break even, 1 W. I think I'm going to end session here as well. Just a clean 40 minutes of backtesting. So the right. So in a macro. News. What was it? Oh yeah, the FMC meeting minutes. Almost forgot, but yeah, it was outside of that. So meeting minutes, and then at 10 as well, something. Yeah, consumer confidence. Meeting minutes, where's that? And we have medium. 10 a.m. and then at 2. Alright, so it's a W day. I think I'm only like 1% plus in this month. It's been a very slow month. a short hike, like 4 kilometers. Still nice. Like, yeah, still a lot. But nice, man, nice. Use continuation model that involves waiting for 2 manipulation legs with 2 displacement that sweep out both sell side and buy side before the move. Oh yeah, okay. Wait for inversion of highest time frame for value gap. Oh, nice. Wow, basically, or not the same. No, but something towards the same direction of entry model, I would say, with the for value gap. Then, I think. Essentially, turtle soup, but I have specific criteria to wait for that first for me to move. Okay, nice. Wow, sounds good. It's no fun to get in trader too early and have it to be chopped, even if it does hit TP. Try ready for the real entry right before the move. Wow, sounds good, man. Nice. Thank you, Fred. You good night as well. Good luck trading tomorrow. Yeah, got that session here. 31%. So yeah, so far slow months. Could still change. I have 3 more trading days, and you never know, man. Could be in a drawdown as well. You never know. I'm curious how December will go. But yeah, gonna end the session here. Fred, thank you for watching, man. Grumpets as well. Yeah, sounds like a good entry model, man. You sounds like you know what you're talking about. Sometimes I ask people what the entry model is, and it's just, yeah, they almost tell nothing really. But nice, man. Yeah, Grumpets, thanks for watching. Wires maybe still here. I don't know, remember Wires maybe still here, and 3 other people watching as well. Maxime, Luke maybe still here. Ciatech maybe still here. Yeah. Everyone have a good night, or I say again, thank you. Ciao.